Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. The rally that we've seen in the last few days in soybeans continued overnight. Soybean prices are up 27 cents and we're at all-time highs in beans and meal. I think part of this has to do with the concern that you're going to see long-term a tight soybean situation because of this year's lower crops both in South America and the United States. Corn prices reluctantly is following, up about 4 cents, and wheat's also up somewhere between 4 and 5 cents. Overnight, the USDA crop rating stayed unchanged in corn, but did improve 2% in the soybeans. Yesterday during the session, we had some reports from this pro-farmer crop tour. One group started in South Dakota moving east, another group started in Ohio and moved west. In South Dakota, they found much lower than expected corn yields and lower soybean pod counts, and I think that got into yesterday's uptick in the markets. In Ohio, they also found corn yields lower than expected, but soybean pod counts actually better than last year. Again today, we'll be hearing reports from them as they move across the Midwest. We also saw that the EPA announced a 30-day comment period for the ethanol waiver. They'll take in comments and then they'll make a decision by November 13th. Interesting enough, that's after the November 6th U.S. presidential election. We saw that Russia came out with August 1 grain stocks less than last year. We also saw for the 5th straight week, China food prices are higher. And we're also watching, as far as U.S. weather is concerned, a mostly dry week with temperatures back to normal. There might be some scattered showers over the weekend and early next week, but the rainfall is not expected to do a lot of help for the soybean crop, and it's too late to help the corn crop. So again, prices are higher. Soybean meal prices are at all-time highs, and the drop in global supply of beans and corn suggests that prices should continue to move higher. The question mark is, are we going to get any break during the harvest? Next week, I'll be in Iowa, Boone, Iowa, at the annual Farm Progress Show both Tuesday and Wednesday. So I hope all of you come out to the ADM booth and listen to the market comments and listen to what farmers are saying about crops this year. Again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and hope you have a safe and profitable trading day.